Dips are one of the most essential exercises for strengthening the shoulder girdle and chest. The development of both fast twitch and slow twitch muscle fibers, in addition to the complex involvement in the work of the entire body's muscles, are the primary benefits of this exercise. I'll show you what happens to your body when you do 10 dips every day in this video. In this way, watch the video till the end, it will intrigue. Let's move. The fact that dips work not only the pectoral muscles but also the secondary stabilizing muscles, which are necessary for maintaining proper posture, is the primary advantage of this exercise. What's more, the chest during plunges is worked out at a generally unique point, in correlation with the seat press and push-ups. The neuromuscular link between the brain and muscles is strengthened and developed through dips. Generally, this exercise helps the competitor the capacity to include the muscles deliberately of the body in work. In the end, this accelerates the processes of muscle hypertrophy, resulting in significant improvements to basic exercise strength indicators. What muscles do dips target? The pectoral, tricep, trapezium, and shoulder girdle muscles are the primary muscle groups targeted by dips. The abs and upper back are also actively engaged when the exercise is performed correctly. The main difference between dips and other classic exercises like the bench press is precisely that they allow you to work almost all of your body's muscles. In fact, even with an inclined bench press, only the shoulders and pectoral muscles are being worked, effectively excluding the body's stabilizing muscles from the exercise. How to perform dips correctly? The method of performing dips with a slight inclination of the body will enable you to properly distribute the load and will involve not only the lower chest but also the shoulders, arms, back, and body stabilizing muscles. The way into the right procedure of doing plunges is that the heaviness of the body in this practice doesn't move along a rigorously upward way, as the vast majority think. Weight during plunges is packed not in one point, but rather in two. To put it another way, the corpus should not be completely parallel to the ground when the body is being lowered. It ought to be a 15 to 30 degree angle to the vertical. Likewise, for extra association of the abs during the activity, it is prescribed to keep the abs tense, and at the absolute bottom tenderly draw the legs to the midsection. Proper technique for dips at the top of the exercise: keep your arms straight, your elbows slightly fixed, your chest open, and your body as perpendicular to the floor as possible. Keep your gaze in front of you. While bringing down, you ought to take the pelvis back, while shifting the body forward. The elbows are parallel to the bars at the bottom, and the shoulders are just below the elbow level. When doing dips, make sure not to cut off the upper or lower part of the movement during the entire cycle. Use a gravitron machine or a special platform with a counterweight if you have trouble doing the exercise slowly. Normal plunge botches. The most well-known plunge botch is to do this exercise somewhat, leaving your shoulders above or at elbow level. Consequently, the work only partially incorporates the chest muscles. Pointing the elbows out to the sides instead of the back is another common error. During dips, it is important to make sure that the elbows are as close to the body as possible and that the shoulder blades are brought together at the lowest point of the exercise. In any case, the shoulder joint will get an unreasonable and totally superfluous burden. Static dips. According to the plank exercises principle, dips can also be performed in a static variation in addition to a dynamic variation. For this situation, the objective is to keep the body unmoving at the highest point of the development for a specific time. You can begin with 10 seconds, holding back nothing or more. Muscle fibers are divided into two categories: quick jerk and slow jerk. Combining dynamic and static variation is necessary for the development of both types of muscle fibers during dips. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Check out the Power Mass Blueprint Guide if you want to achieve your fitness goals faster. I have provided the link in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Come back soon.